Hello children. In laws of motion, we have next topic is principle of conservation of linear momentum. According to this principle, in the isolated system, the total momentum of the system remains constant. Now we can prove this. Let us consider two bodies A and B. Momentum of the object A is PA. Momentum of the object is PB. They collide with each other. This is collision of these two. After collision they get separate. दोनों separate हो गए A and B. Momentum of the A is PA dash. Momentum of the B is PB dash. Now change in momentum of A. Change in momentum of body A. Final minus initial. Final is PA dash. Initial is PA. PA dash minus PA. Similarly, change in momentum of B. Final minus initial. PB dash minus PB. Let time taken for the collision. This is dt. Now we can say that object A exert force on the B and the B exert force on the A. So according to Newton's third law of motion, Newton's third law of motion, we can say action is equal to reaction, but direction is opposite. So minus sign will be here. Now we can write here action is the force exerted on A and the reaction is force exerted on the B. So we can say FAB is equal to minus F into BA. Multiply by dt both side, FAB dt minus FBA into dt. Force into time. This is equal to change in momentum of A. This is change in momentum of A. This is equal to minus change in momentum of B. Change in momentum of A. This is PA dash minus PA. Change in momentum of B. PB dash minus PB. Now we can put the values. PA dash minus PA, take out minus PB dash plus PB. Now we can interchange. PA dash plus PB dash is equal to PA plus PB. So this is the momentum of the A and B after collision. This is the total momentum of A and B before collision. So we can say that before collision total momentum, and this is after collision total momentum. So according to this law we can say that total momentum before collision is equal to total momentum after collision. The next topic is recoil velocity of a gun. We can define recoil velocity of a gun as the velocity with which the gun drifted in a direction opposite to the direction of motion of the bullet. Let the mass of the gun is m1, mass of the bullet is m2. Before the fire, both are at rest, so total momentum before fire equals 0 because their velocity is 0. Now we can say after fire gun has velocity v1, bullet has velocity v2. So total momentum after fire the velocity of the gun is v1, velocity of the bullet is v2. So total momentum after fire is m1 v1 plus m2 v2. According to law of conservation of momentum, total momentum after fire is equal to total momentum before fire. So now we can write m1 v1 is equal to minus m2 v2. We can calculate v1 minus m2 v2 upon m1. So this is the required velocity of the gun. So negative sign shows the direction of motion of the gun is opposite to the direction of motion of the bullet.